In many organizations, user accounts remain active long after they stop being used. These stale accounts are one of the easiest entry points for attackers. Unless your organization has mature, well-defined procedures for managing identities, you are almost certainly facing this issue. In some organizations, the IT team is barely informed when employees resign or are terminated. I have personally experienced this. During a casual conversation at the coffee machine, I learned that a colleague had left the company months earlier, yet all their accounts were still active. When you ask HR why IT wasn't notified so the accounts could be disabled, the answer is often, "Oops." In this quick demonstration, I will show you how to quickly identify Windows Active Directory user accounts that is inactive for a certain period, so that you can take a decision and disable them. First, open Active Directory Administrative Center. Click on the organizational unit that contains the user accounts. Click on the little tiny arrow on the right side of the panel to add a search criterion. Select users with enabled accounts who have not logged on for more than a given number of days. Next, choose the number of days. Let's say 60 days. In the list are all user accounts that are inactive for more than 60 days. When you select a user account, you will see in the bottom the last time the user logged on. You can save this search query for a future use by giving it a name. I recommend disabling the accounts initially, and if there are no issues, you can delete them after some time. Because it might happen that you disable an account used to start a service, and that service will no longer be available for users. So be careful.